Hello, folks. I'm just gonna do a quick review here of my Lee Value turret press. I don't know the difference between the Value and the Classic, to be honest with you. There's a little bit of cosmetic differences and whatnot, but that's irrelevant. This here is particularly is the Lee Value turret press. Came with this auto drum measurer, um, and what you see here, it did not come with the dies. This is just kind of a bore light. I zip tied here just to see and check my powder, make sure there's good amounts of powder in there. Um, there's a lot of videos on how to set up your dies once you get it, how to set this up. I'm not going to really get into that. Just kind of wanted to let you know, so far so good. I am reloading some 9mm, simply using my CFE powder and just some range brass and extreme bullets. I'll run you through one just to show you the consistency. The auto measure, it's pretty consistent. I mean, is there a difference between a point of grain here and there? Potentially. Let me show you here. I will just quick turn this on here. Put my tray on. Sorry for my camera work, folks. I'll tear my weight and let's run casing through and we'll check it out. And as far as the primer arm and everything, didn't really have to adjust much. I know there was some reviews on there we got a charge here. Let's see. I've been running about 5.1, 5.2. And yeah, still going consistent. And that's after all these rounds. There's probably, I don't know, 75, 100 rounds in there so far. And still running consistent. Back to the primer arm, as far as people were saying on theirs, primers were falling on the floor all the time, all that stuff. I think it's just a matter of finding your trick and getting them to drop in there. But let's run one through, and we already got a primer in there. So let's get this turned back, get a charge put in. There. Sorry again for my camera skills. Trying to do this one-handed. I'm gonna seat and crimped. Done. I normally run a single stage. That's my Lee single stage. And I still like it. I'll still use it for special things, but as far as just trying to quick get through some rounds and whatnot, I'm digging on this. This is a nice setup. So I think I got it. I can run a lot faster versus a single stage. Still, that single stage has loaded me a lot of rounds, thousands of rounds, but this will get me there faster. So that's it, folks. Not too much, just saying I think it's well worth the money. I bought it at our local Cabela's. I think I paid $175 for it, somewhere around in there. I had $25 off, so I think I paid $150. The little tube here that holds the spent primers, pretty durable. It looked questionable when I was hooking it up, but that little guy stayed on. And if yours don't, I'm sure you can kind of concoct some little contraption to do a better job, but so far so good on mine. All right, well, God bless America, and God bless the Republic. Take care.